So chrome has really been one of those unloved commodities in the sense that it's not as sexy as gold or copper in this environment, but it has been an outperformer when we look at global demand, typically growing on a 5% CAGR over the last 20 years. And South Africa, being a supplier of 85% of the chrome units that's required for China and Indonesia stainless steel manufacturing complexes, really is a key role player. So if you look at the growth in ore supply and concentrate supply out of South Africa, it has really been quite remarkable. And it's the only jurisdiction that has the ore bodies that are of significant scale and tabular in nature that can facilitate that growth in demand. So underpinned by stainless steel and demand and application for stainless steels, we have a very strong conviction around those fundamentals, because it's not only an Asia-centric growth story. We see Europe, we see North America, South America growing in terms of consumption. And interesting enough, India mandating stainless steel growth. It has the lowest per capita consumption of stainless steel. We always call it a late cycle commodity, and it talks to urbanization, industrialization of economies. And so we see the uses and applications moving away from the traditional nickel-based or austenitic stainless steels to the high chrome content or ferritic stainless steels, which are more your utility style steels that are used in infrastructure, buildings, bridges, and airport type constructions. And the fact that chrome is corrosive resistance is really the property that structural engineers are chasing. So we've seen big penetration in rebar, particularly with large capital projects on the coastal fronts, as well as galvanized steel. So market share and new applications being accessed by high chrome content stainless steel, and that chrome comes from South Africa. So we are net beneficiaries of that. And we wouldn't be surprised to see chrome going into a deficit position with the requirements at a sort of very muted 3.5% growth rate going into the future. If you look at the stainless steel complex over 60 million tons, if it grows at 3.5% annually, you need an additional 1 million tons of chrome ore annually to fulfill that requirement. So a very unique space, and it really is a SA-centric story in terms of supply side.